So you have an expression like this, and you want to use partial fraction decomposition. But it's usually very tedious, so I wrote some code, and now you can solve it in less than a minute. So you take this expression, and you rewrite it the way we were taught in class. So that equals a over x minus 3 plus bx plus c over x squared plus 6x minus 6. Then you take that and you isolate the constant terms as coefficients of the x terms. So a over x minus 3 is the same as a times 1 over x minus 3. Bx over x squared plus 6x minus 6 is the same as b times x over x squared plus 6x minus 6. C over x squared plus 6x minus 6 is the same as 1 over x squared plus 6x minus 6. Now that you have all of these terms, you take this expression and you put it into y1. So you can see I already did it. It's there in y1. Then you take this expression, 1 over x minus 3, and you put that into y2, which is the same as x minus 3 inverse. Then you take the b expression, x over x squared plus 6x minus 6. You can see that in y3. And then you take the c expression, which is 1 over x squared plus 6x minus 6, and you put that in y4. So that's the same as x squared plus 6x minus 6 inverse. Now you're ready to run the program, but before you do, you want to make sure that all of these other y terms are 0 because it solves for multiple expressions, and right now all those other expressions are 0. So hit program, execute the one. You can name it whatever you want. So first it asks you for the number of terms. Since we have a, b, and c, that's 3 terms. Put in 3 and wait for it to solve. So that gives us 2/3, 1/3, 1. So a equals 2/3, b equals 1/3, and c equals 1. If you want to show your work, you check the matrix, you edit matrix A, you write down these values the way I did over here. And then you take the B matrix and write that over here. So it's this matrix, the inverse of this matrix, times the other matrix that I just showed you. So what this is saying is negative 5.05a plus 0.87b plus 0.85c equals 0.805. To move this decimal point over. So negative 0.505a equals 0.805. So if you multiply this matrix by this matrix, you get the matrix I showed you, which is 2 over 3rd, 1/3, 1. You can all check that. You're all smart. You go to tech.